Well, I just did beat the sun on that one. So there's one that needs to go there and it's already in the sunlight. And then I've got these two back here which are shielded from the sunlight by the RV. I think I'll go ahead and start this one. I may not finish it. Sometimes you can turn these sort of almost by hand and get them in the ground a good ways before they get really hard to turn. So what I'll do is I'll sit down and I'll start working at them in by hand. When it gets too hard to turn, I'll move over to one of those over there. By the way, somebody commented on the fact that it's like 60 degrees at home and we're down here. Not really complaining about the heat. I've tried not to, but just being aware of it. And you know, we chose to do it this way because Honey Baby wanted to be here while it was hot to see what it was like, and she wanted to swim and be involved with lake activities. So we know that we could have stayed in Maine a little longer, but we chose to do this. So we're not complaining about the heat. We're just being reasonable about it. You know, even though it's hot. We came down here knowing it would be. I'm still going to work in the shade, whether anybody likes it or not, so just deal with it. I'll get a little different angle on this. Try it about right there. Yep. So not only did I move around to the shady side, but I thought I'd set me up a fan over here. Oh, the joys of electricity and air movement and such. Get me a glass of drink of water. All right.
He likes that.
Oh yeah. I think we all do. Very nice.
It's breezy down there this morning.
Nice down there.
It's